Let's talk about how to pair this and this so that they're somewhat useful. The reason I say somewhat useful is because Apple and DJI don't make it really easy to work together. The biggest issue I see with the DJI Mic 2 and using an iPhone comes around when you want to use the little DJI microphones by themselves via Bluetooth mode. Typically what you want to do if you are an iPhone user, you'd pair via Bluetooth, fire up the video or the camera app on your iPhone and start recording. The drawback is when you use these with an iPhone in Bluetooth mode, the native app will not record any audio. It'll just record the audio from your phone. So you need to use a third-party program like the Blackmagic camera, or there's several others out there that will allow you to use the Bluetooth audio and record video with the iPhone camera. Now, there's a way around this, but you can't use Bluetooth. The way you do that is you use the receiver, and you plug the receiver right into the bottom of your iPhone. When you do that, now the audio from your microphone passes through the receiver and goes right to the native camera app on the iPhone. I don't know why they've done it this way. I'm hoping maybe in the future that there'll be an update. I don't know whether this is a DJI problem or an Apple problem or something in between. Regardless, that's kind of the challenge we're facing right now is if you want to use Bluetooth, you can, but you need to use a different third-party camera app on your iPhone. So let's dive into a video. I'll show you how to connect these to your iPhone, and I will show you how to do a Bluetooth pairing with this device, and I'll show you how to connect it through the lightning adapter and connect the receiver right to the bottom of your phone. Depending on the type of case you might have on your iPhone, you might need to take the case off to get this to connect properly. And you plug that in, and you can see it just mounts right on the bottom of your phone, just like that. It's a little bit kludgy, but it does work pretty well. And of course, if you don't have an iPhone, but you have another phone that's got a different type of adapter, USB-C, DJI does include the little USB-C adapter that would allow you to plug your DJI Mic 2 microphones into a device with a USB-C adapter. Okay, let's open up the DJI case and we'll show you how to connect everything. 2 hands to open the case. Sometimes it's a little tricky with 1 hand. Here you see the receiver and the 2 transmitters. And you'll also see at the top, there's the lightning adapter and the USB adapter that connects to the back of the receiver. In this case, we're going to attach the lightning adapter to the back of the receiver. Okay, first, we'll remove the cover off of the back of the receiver. And then we'll simply slide the lightning adapter in the back of the receiver. Now we're plugging in the receiver into the bottom of the phone. You'll notice it says confirm on the receiver. So now you can see we've got the receiver plugged into the bottom of the iPhone, and it's showing 2 true transmitters are connected from left and right down at the bottom. And I'm recording some audio. This audio is obviously different than what I'm recording, but it just shows you that they are picking up audio. You can see there's no DJI device connected via Bluetooth. So we're definitely, everything is running through the lightning adapter. Okay, we'll pair a transmitter via Bluetooth. First thing we've got to do is make sure the transmitter is on, so we'll power it on. So you'll see we have a blinking light that indicates the device is turned on. We'll put the device into Bluetooth mode by holding the record button down until the blue light lights up, and then we need to have that blue light flashing just like that by pressing the link button. Now we're in pairing mode, and you can see DJI Mic 2 shows up as a Bluetooth device, and it's connected, and we are ready to go. Now remember, this will not work with the native camera app in this configuration. Sometimes people get confused when they put their DJI transmitters into Bluetooth mode because then they stop pairing with the receiver occasionally, and this can be a problem. One of the things you'll need to do is get them out of Bluetooth mode, and the way you do that, you simply hold down the record button, and if all goes well, the light will flash green, and on your phone, you'll see it has gone from connected to not connected. At that point, the transmitter has gone back into its traditional mode where it will link up with the receiver. So just a reminder, if your transmitter does not seem to be talking to the receiver, make sure it's not in Bluetooth mode. That has bitten me a couple of times as I've learned to use my DJI Mic 2s. Now that I remember that, it's a quick fix, but just something to keep in mind. So there you go. That's how you connect your DJI Mic 2 and your iPhone. Hope this was useful.